Alright, y'all. Nitro engine carburetors can be a pain in the butt. This right here is your carburetor. A couple of points of leakages you can have just from the carburetor. This is dust boot, accordion gasket as they call it sometimes. This guy right here. You have a leak right here where the fuel nipple is. There's a metal washer above and below it. You can have a leak from where the needle screws into the housing. You can have a leak right here on the end cap, and you can have a leak right here on where you can adjust the where the needle goes if your engine's flipped around the other side on certain models. So you can take this out and put it on the other side. Alright. You can also have a leak in your idle needle as well. Anyways, where the carburetor goes into the throttle, into the block, it can leak around there as well. But the main point of this video is to show you how to do a quick little test, see if your carburetor is sealed up or not. Finger on the bottom, finger on the top, and blow into the fuel line, and it should be able to open this up, and you should be able to keep that open with air pressure. See how I released and it went down? Shouldn't be leaking. Should be able to keep that open. Quick little simple way to check your carburetor, make sure it's not leaking. Once that's fixed, make sure this gasket right here is, see that orange O-ring right here. Make sure that's good. There's another O-ring down in the throat of the carburetor. Sure the camera's picking that up. Anyways, it seats. Yeah, it's hard to see. Anyways, it seats down in here. Anyways, that seals up the throat of the carburetor. And you have some other gaskets as well that you need to make sure, like your back plate. There's an O-ring. And then, of course, you have your head shim that goes in between your head and your block. That needs to be sealed up. And then there's a little O-ring that's supposed to go on the exhaust port. Seals up your exhaust. And then, of course, your front bearing, it can leak as well. All these air leaks create hard starts and causes the engine temperatures to skyrocket and to stay inconsistent, and you'll have a heck of a time trying to get a consistent tune. And it's really frustrating to figure all this out for first time Nitro guys, and it'll deter you from sticking with Nitro if you can't figure out what's going on. So I just wanted to make a quick little video for you guys that want to get into Nitro. Don't be scared, give it a try. Takes a little bit of mechanical abilities, but stick with it, do some research, and you'll do fine. Anyways, enjoy.